Get her to the floor. Oh.
What do you got gas?
Come on, baby. Come on, baby. You can do it. You can do it. Everybody move forward. She's struggling.
You have it floored?
Pretty much.
Floor it.
I can't.
Yeah, the speed
You'll
limit's
just blow
55.
all the gas out. It won't get us nowhere. All right, we're about to crest.
We're about to go downhill.
Yeah. Now we hope the brakes work real good. All right, give her a break here. Let her coast. What?
U-Haul.
U-Haul. Hey, they moved the thing now.
Oh, yeah. Do you think something happened?
No, they just put a new cage up. Huh, cool. They did that fast.
Here we go again.
Oh, this one's taller too. Let's get a running start.
Okay.
U-Haul! Oh, the needle's moving backwards. It's barely, oh, yeah, it is. Oh, we made it. We made it. Now we can get around RV here. Woo!
Don't crash.
Oh.
Oh, imagine having to pull the Jeep and,
Oh, yeah, that would
why is it so
be hectic. So they don't smoosh your chips.
And also so they don't have to give you as much.
Smoosh free.
Smoosh free for 2 chips.
That wasn't as bad as last time though, so that's good. I was really quite nervous about that.
Oh no, here we go again,
Here's
Dad.
another one.
Come on, we got this. Everyone go forward.
Everybody give her a good one.
Come on, guys. We're going to this. Up the hill. And then it goes all the way down to the brakes don't work.
Roll.
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 When
Oh.
I'm on the road. We're gonna make it?
Yep.
Yay!
Yeah. Come on, baby.
Are you flooring it?
I'm flooring it. She's floored. I'm giving her all she's got.
What?
No, yeah, you don't get that. Star Trek reference.
House brick. We're not nerds.
Punch it, Chewie. You get that one?
No.
You don't know who Chewie is?
I know who Chewie is, but I don't get that.
Yeah.
I'm not a nerd.
Yes, you are. Yes, you are.
Not because you.
Just because she's a different kind of nerd doesn't
I'm
mean
not a
she's
nerd.
less of a nerd.
I'm not a nerd.
I didn't say nerd was a bad thing.
But I'm not.
Yeah.
I'm not.
Yeah.
Not how.
You're just a nerd.
How?
I don't know.
Then I'm not.
You referenced.
Sorry, everyone. I'm trying my best.
Don't rush me, Katie.
I'm just not ready yet.
Oh my god. I think I can see the gas gauge moving.
Is she still floored?
She's on the floor, baby. You hear her screaming?
Yeah.
Please, God. Have mercy on me.
Are we gonna make it to the house?
No.
Oh, I think this is the last one, isn't it?
Hopefully.
Ooh, come on.
What if it isn't?
There, ooh, yeah. There we go.
Make the turn.
colorful Colorado. Hurp, hurp.
Yes!
Easy, U-Haul. Easy, baby. Calm down. She got excited.
We're in Colorado.
Calm down, U-Haul.
Are we good? Are we good?
Yeah, we're good. We're just
Fast.
running. Yeah.
Is it gonna slow down when it needs to?
Maybe.
Dad?
Sure. I'm working on it.
Look at my power.
I'm working on it right now.
Come on.
And the brakes dead.
I feel sorry for these road workers.
Why?
Just doing this out with this traffic. Runaway U-Haul trucks and all that.
Especially this one.